Hello everyone, I'm Hassan from Mechanic Bar, and today I'm gonna show you on how to repair a strip threaded hole. While I was working on this bike, I accidentally stripped the bolt and together with the threaded hole inside. And today I'm gonna repair it with this tool, thread and die tool, and also I'm gonna show you on liquid moly speed additives and how to use it on your motorcycle. So stay tuned and let's get into this. So this hole is actually a M5. Okay, so as you can see, I can't properly screw this in. So it's just halfway through and it cannot go any more further. So I need to tap this and make a new thread. So first, I'm just gonna lubricate this part so that it's easier to machine on it. Don't forget to loop. Okay, and you are done. And since you have done this job, might as well you take a time to look all of these moving parts. It does help a lot, so it doesn't stay freeze over there.